Final video, you need to fix black lines on your monitor. If you see horizontal or vertical black lines on your screen, stay with me because this will help you. Are you also facing the problem where black lines suddenly appear on your monitor and you do not know what caused it? Do you try restarting or changing the cable, but the lines are still there? If yes, then you're watching the right video. Black lines usually happen because of loose or damaged display cables, outdated graphics drivers, wrong resolution settings, or a failing screen panel. Sometimes overheating or heavy apps can also cause display glitches that look like black lines. Many users think the monitor is dead, but often the fix is simple. You may see many solutions on YouTube and Facebook, but most of them are long, confusing, and hard to follow. Many people try them and still cannot get rid of the black lines. When I faced this issue, I solved it with one easy trick. It does not need advanced tools, and anyone can follow the steps. On my channel Rexished, I always share the easiest methods so everyone can fix monitor problems quickly. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing this trick, comment below. When I see enough comments, I will upload the complete guide so you can fix black lines on your monitor easily.